Hello everyone, my name is Shubhashis Sarkar and presently I am working as an assistant professor in Baburi Institute of Technology in Vadodara. And today we are going to discuss the topic valve timing diagram, particularly of 4-stroke SI engine. Now when I say 4-stroke SI engine, it means a petrol engine which will run on 4-stroke. Stroke is basically nothing but the movement of piston between TDC and BDC. Now, before getting into the subject, today we will discuss only the theoretical diagram, not the actual one. And before getting into the topic, what you have to know that you have to have a basic knowledge of what is IC engine, what are the classification, what are the terminologies associated with, and what are the components of IC engine. So let's begin. First of all, the whole cycle is consists of 4-stroke: suction, compression, expansion, and exhaust. Now, as per the theoretical assumptions, the suctions take place from 0 to 1 at atmospheric pressure. The piston moves from TDC to BDC. As you can see in the diagram, that inlet valves open, the piston will move from TDC to BDC and the inlet valve will close, and it will move from IVO, that is inlet valve open 0 degree, to inlet valve close 180 degree. Okay, then the exhaust valve, which is already closed, and the inlet valve which just closed now, is now the piston will move in the upward direction, and the charge which is entered in the suction stroke will move upward. Here you can see 1 to 2 is compression. The compression increases the pressure and temperature of the charge. At the TDC, when the piston moves after compressing to the TDC, the spark ignition will be done, and due to the spark, the combustion will happen, and it is assumed that the combustion is at constant volume. The combustion takes place at constant volume, and the pressure increase from P3 to P2 to P3. Now, from third point, from here the expansion will take place. The expansion will take place up to 180 degree. As you can see, at the end of expansion, the exhaust valve will open, EVO, exhaust valve open, and the exhaust valve will close when the piston move from BDC to TDC, and it is going to sweep out the charges which is already burned during the expansion stroke, and the cycle will end here, as you can see. But these all are theoretical point of view. As you know that there may be a certain changes when we move to the actual part. Okay, that's it for today. We'll meet in the next lecture.